Hello, it's Madeline Colcol. Today is August 24th. I am getting into my dissection here. Let's see if I can get us pictured. There we go. So this is the cow eyeball. I know I'm a little bit late running with all this, but I have my chair here. You can see my foot's all bandaged up. I feel kind of in pain. I just want this to be over. I've fallen down once in the hallway, which is not fun. So it's very uncomfortable not having your leg or not having full use of your leg. So let's get into this here. It seems like I am right where I'm going to cut into the lens here, and then I'm going to cut into the eye, and I'm going to drain the anterior chamber, and we'll have some liquid come out before I cut the eye into an anterior and posterior portion. So what I'm using is just the scalpel. My little eyeball is, I'm sure everybody's is, a little bit deformed. This is the sucking vacuum of it all, but let's go ahead and get this going. Oh, it made a sound. I wish I had another face mask. I should have grabbed one from work, because I'm a little bit grossed out by stuff squirting in my face. I have face shields I should have brought from work, actually. Okay, so we got most of the goopy stuff out here, and can kind of look inside of that now that we've cut it open and drained. Oh, it's so thick. It's, ooh, maybe I cut too far. So, we can see the cornea is very protective, very thick. I'm not sure what, if any, of the preservative has done to it, but it's actually quite clear and really cool. It almost feels like plastic. And then we have the remaining pieces in there, so we'll go ahead and, ooh! It's like little eggs. Okay, it's like a little egg inside of there. So I'll go ahead and cut this into the anterior and posterior portions. I'm trying to figure out here which is the best way to do this. It is quite a rubbery specimen. So, trying to get him stable is a whole different story. It almost looks and feels like plastic. I know I did this many years ago when I was in middle school. I think I was in 7th grade or so. We did an experiment like this. Oh, how beautiful. It's exciting. Okay, let me scroll a little bit here, but you can see the inside here. It's almost like abalone. Is that what it is? Like that beautiful, beautiful inner pieces of shells of clams and oysters. So that's gorgeous. That would be the posterior. You can see, I believe that's where the optic nerve is, or where it goes through to. Right here. So that's the posterior. And the anterior, you can see the front here where we cut the cornea. You've got this black film as well as this little dude. It's all connected in here, so I'm going to actually pull this out. Has another film. This was actually connected to the posterior side as well. So that's where it connected. It's really kind of like reminds me of an oyster or a clam. And then we've got this little, is this real? What is this? That is creepy. we've got this little disc thing. So I was examining it, trying not to drip all over my computer. Let's see. There we go. It looks like plastic, to be honest. It might be. It's freaking me out. It's so smooth and weird. Okay, so that is that. And on the inside, you can see here, there's actually some ridges where you would probably, I believe that would be our iris is what we would be seeing on the opposite side. Of course, it's a little bit clouded over since he's not alive anymore. We don't know the health of this guy either and how his eyes really were. Oh, on the other side here you have still more of that beautiful blue portion of that lining. So, that was a dissection of our cow eyeball. I'll go ahead and take some pictures and do our wrap up. Thank you so much for your patience this turn, and thank you for a lovely turn. It's been really great and really something going back to school and, you know, changing my career. And I know I went into it full force taking this in chemistry and, you know, still trying to work at the same time. So just so you know, next few terms, I just need my A&P 2 and my, I think it's microbiology. Once I have those out of the way, I should be able to apply to nursing school. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I'm sorry for this whole mess of my leg. Doctor says it'll be about 2 weeks. And that's it. Hopefully I'll be back on my feet again. I can't take any risks being on my feet all day and not wanting to have some sort of, you know, necrotic wound happen. So thank you again. Have a wonderful rest of your life, I guess, if we don't cross paths again. Thank you. Bye.